Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy everyday makeup look using some of my favorite products. First, I apply lip balm to moisturize my lip. I also start with my brows. I brush it with a spoolie brush. I love this brow pencil because it's almost the same shade as my brow. Then, I go on to the other side. When I'm done, I blend it in with the same spoolie brush. I use this concealer for my brows to define them and to make them pop. I apply to the top and to the bottom with an angled brush. And do the same for the other brow. From the bottom, and what's left on the brush, I apply to the top. I use a concealer brush to blend out the concealer and make it look more realistic. Finally, I fill up the ends of my brows to make it more dense. I use this Morphe palette every single time because it's got a lot of neutral colors in it. It's my go-to eyeshadow palette for so many reasons. So firstly, I start building up my eyeshadow. I start with like a light shade that is close to my skin, and then I go in for a slightly darker shade. And then towards the outer corner of my eyes, I applied like the darker tones towards the outer corner of my eyes to make it more defined. This gold eyeshadow is perfect for everyday wear because it's very subtle and not very shimmery. Yeah, so you can wear it to work, you can wear it anywhere, and you don't look like you have, a lot of makeup on your eyes. So you blend, blend, blend. This black eyeliner from L'Oreal, I love it. I love it because of the pointy tip. It makes application very easy and seamless. I love the fact that with just a few strokes, I can get a perfectly winged eyeliner. As you can see, easy peasy. Perfect. I wait about 30 to 40 seconds before I install my strip lash. Yeah, me goofing around. I use the tweezer to ensure it adheres properly to my lashes. So I do the left eye first, and I press it. And then now to my right eyes, making sure it sits properly, and then I press it. Professional from Benefits is so silky and smooth and makes a perfect base for my foundation. This foundation from Black Up is a full coverage foundation, and it helps to hide my spots, and it gives me flawless finish. Don't be alarmed by the color, as this oxidizes perfectly in a few minutes. I go in using a foundation brush. After that, I finish up using a beauty blender. At this point, I'm saying to myself, Chimo, Ify, you would have tried this foundation before shooting this video. Well, I thought wrong, I guess. So I always conceal twice. First of all, I go in with a concealer that is exactly my skin tone. Today here I'm using the Black Up No Transfer Concealer. And then I blend it in with a beauty blender, of course. Concealers are very tricky, so you have to blend it as soon as you apply them so they don't dry out. And then secondly, I'm using this concealer from MAC. It's lighter than my skin tone, and it helps to brighten my under eyes. I love this concealer a lot. It's like my favorite concealer in the world. It does the job pretty good. You blend until your arms begin to hurt you, literally. So,
I want lip gloss.
Oh my god, Emma, I'm filming. So after, I set my concealer with this mineralized powder from MAC using a round brush. And I also contour with another darker mineralized powder from MAC with a flat brush. Yeah, my forehead and my temple as well. So I use the Laura Mercier powder for setting the face. I set my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, and also my chin. I let my under eyes bake longer. My favorite lip combo is this nude lip pencil from MAC paired with a nude lip gloss. Today I'm using a nude lip gloss from Makeup Forever with a lip brush. I dust off the powder gently in an outwards manner. Of course, not forgetting to line my waterlines. This kohl pencil does the job with just a few strokes. The Sublime powder is a shimmery powder from Black Up. I use it to highlight my face and it gives off that subtle highlight look. It's perfect for every day. Love it. So I apply a mascara to my top and bottom eyelash. I love this coral blush from NARS. It's perfect for every day. And then I blend in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. Blend everything in. And then my Cover FX setting spray finally goes on my face. Nice. And your girl is ready to go about her day looking absolutely gorgeous. Took a selfie, of course. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I love it. I hope you love it too. Hope you found this video really helpful. Hit the like button if you do. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button also below. And see you in my next video. Bye!